So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in about your PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to take a note of your installed RAM. So I've got 8 GB of RAM. So now you want to click on Advanced System Settings. And now once you're on this under Performance, you want to click on Settings. And then you want to click on your Advanced tab. And now you want to click on Change. And now you want to untick Automatically Manage Paging File Size. You want to make sure that you have your correct drive selected. And then you want to select Custom Size. And then both of these should come up. And now you want to head over to search and type in calculator. Click on it. And now if you would have taken a note of your installed RAM, I've got 8 GB of RAM, for you it might be different. You want to head back into your calculator and then you want to do 1024 times the number of RAM that you have. So I've got 8 GB of RAM, so I'm going to do times 8. You might have 4, do times 4, etc. And then click on equals. And now the number that comes up is 8192. For you it's going to be different, or it might be the same. So now you want to head back into this virtual memory, and for the initial size and maximum size, you want to type in what comes up on the calculator. So for me it's going to be 8192 for both of them. And then click on set, and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.